And let's go make this one koala cake, and it's koala cake.
Okay, let's open it up, see what's inside.
No, don't eat it. Don't taste it.
You ready to open?
Yeah.
Open it up.
Okay.
Whoa. What's in it?
It's got blushes.
Oh, look.
These crayons. This hook is here. Then
See?
This one too.
A mushroom lantern. A glowing firefly. And the Jellyfish Game. Which one do you want to make first?
I want to make the octopus.
The jellyfish?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we need the suction cups. Which is this one? This one? The jellyfish head. Then this one, what's this?
Like this squid.
So you gotta put these through the little holes, okay? Like that.
So I like it.
Okay, and then we have to fold the string in half, which is this one,
Yeah.
So then put two eyes right here, and then you put push them in like this. Push them a little bit so it can stick. A few glow in the dark stickers. Let's do like 4.
Do like 4. Cheek there. And the cheeks. Down and the cheeks.
That's cute. Now it says poke the ends of the string through a small hole in the frame. So you put one here and one here in the small holes.
Like it. I'm gonna try it.
Okay, now you're gonna put the suction cups here. Put them in the holes. We gotta put it on the window. We gotta stick it on the window. Let's go.
Yeah.
Get the beads.
The beads.
Yeah, and then pull them harder. And then you can wiggle him.
Ocean. What's this?
Just put him everywhere.
On the bottom.
Okay.
Like a spiky starfish. Thank you, fish. It's going to catch the fish.
Let me go get Holly, okay?
It goes on top in the grass. It goes on top in the grass. This is the biggest jellyfish. What's the biggest jellyfish? What's the biggest jellyfish? What's that starfish doing?
Catch the starfish.
Yay, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye. Let's do the butterfly one again.